Ladies and gentlemen, remember we were talking about communication? Well, there's a company right next to me that knows that business really, really well. It's called Clear-Com. What are comms? Well, comms are a way of people that are live talent or not, or anybody for that matter, to have communication. Last year, it was incredible to see InfoComm in Orlando, but this year, I'm here with a cameraman and a microphone. So this year, we get to see exactly what I experienced. They have a few devices like encoders and all kinds of, let's just go check it out. How about that, right? Clear-Com, come next. As we're here with Clear-Comms. And sir, your name?
Marco Lopez.
Marco Lopez, pleasure to meet you, sir.
Pleasure
So,
to meet you too.
if you could explain to my audience, I'm blind, but I love learning about new devices and such. What does Clear-Com provide, and what are we buy?
So we're a tier 1 communications provider.
Okay.
So we do intercom systems for the largest of theaters, live events,
Right.
large stadiums, and also in broadcast markets.
Interesting. I guess I'm broadcasting because I'm doing this live on YouTube, but what is your average sizability for a company that would use your devices?
So it could be anything. So we have multiple different families of products,
Okay.
starting with entry level all the way to the largest. If you think of a large like an NBC,
Yeah.
Universal, at 30 Rock, they may have hundreds and hundreds of our endpoints.
Okay.
With operators doing things like Saturday Night Live or the Kelly Clarkson show,
Right.
and so forth. So that would be on the broadcast side.
Okay.
And then at the entry level broadcast, you have your station groups,
Uh-huh.
and they have the call letter stations in various states around the world, and they also use our product. There you would have maybe like a dozen or so endpoints where the operators are producing live news or local news
Right.
for their markets.
Are we standing in front of products? I have low vision, but are we standing in front of a product right now?
Yeah, so one of the products we have here is our Avalon IP product.
Okay.
So we just introduced this here at the show.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, thank
Awesome.
you, thank you. So Avalon is from a legacy of products which we call the Arcadia product.
Okay.
And one of the things that Arcadia had is it boasted all these analog I/O capabilities along with digital wired and digital wireless.
Uh-huh.
Now with Avalon IP, because the market is moving more and more towards all IP and only IP,
Yes.
we now have Avalon IP that offers all the IP interconnectivity and removes that analog
Nice.
I/O.
Yeah.
And now we've reduced the cost by 30% to our customers.
What is something like the Avalon go for right now?
You're talking about $8,000-$9,000.
Not which that does bring it down because I think the other ones are about 15 grand, right?
That's right, about $12,000-$13,000 is that entry point. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the Avalon. This out this year. Where does someone shop for products from you guys?
So we have a vast reseller channel here in the US, including online distributors as well.
Okay.
I recommend that people go to our website at www.clearcom.com.
Perfect.
And then they can find reseller that's in their territory or area.
Fantastic. Well, I really want to say thank you. And if there's more products to show, please,
Absolutely.
we could walk. I could grab your elbow.
Yeah, sure, let's go.
Okay.
So we'll go right here to our award-winning product here at the show, which we call FreeSpeak Cell. So we'll just turn here towards the right. Okay, so FreeSpeak Cell is one of our digital wireless products.
Okay, it's right in front of me to my right.
That's right. I'll put it right here. Here
Okay.
you go. It's a belt pack.
Oh,
That's right. So this will be used for people that are on the go, camera people, lighting people,
All of us,
riggers. So anyone that really has to move around. So
Yeah.
with FreeSpeak Cell, one of the innovations that we've done is we are using a cellular module within the belt pack. So now it'll connect to either commercial cellular or private 5G cellular.
So you always have internet. You
Yeah,
always have
that's right.
connectivity,
That's
like-
right. That's right. So now you go over the internet into one of our what I call the brains of the system.
Right.
That will do all the mixing, all the configuration,
Right.
and all of the other capabilities that come with the platform.
So on the back, I don't know if they're the same units.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, these are all the same.
I feel a XLR. On
That's
the
right.
side.
That's right. Exactly. So
don't-
usually you would jack in and have a professional headset
Yeah.
that would typically go with one of these devices.
What's on the back? What else is on the back?
Oh, yeah, so-
XLR.
Yeah, so you got an XLR.
Yep.
Then you have a USB port,
Yep.
so you can use it for charging, doing upgrades and stuff like that.
Okay, firmware and all
Yeah.
that. Yep.
Then you have the two little buttons that you feel towards the
left
right-hand side.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's your master volume, up and down.
Okay.
Whereas on the front here, if I just move
Yeah.
you over here, you have here on the side, you have the rotaries. So those
it, I saw
rotaries
it,
are the
yeah.
volume controls for
Oh,
the
sick.
individual
And
keys.
they're stepping. They're not like.
That's right. That's right.
So you can get real accuracy.
Exactly,
awesome.
exactly. So that's FreeSpeak Cell.
Okay.
We won the 3 Best of Show awards here at InfoComm 2026, and we're really proud of.
Really cool.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, we didn't know that we were going to stop award winners here, but
okay,
that's awesome.
That's
man.
great. Well, thank you for passing by.
Hey,
really
sure
appreciate it.
Anything else that you want? Last words that you want me to share with my audience?
So we still continue to bring innovation around the Arcadia platform.
Okay.
So we released now version 4.1.
Okay.
That brings panel support and
awesome.
IFB support, especially for our broadcast customers.
That's always useful, right? I mean,
yeah, absolutely.
I'm on the gun too, but something like that on my belt pack, I mean, we're a small team right now, but if we grow, something like this guy here
that's right.
would work really beautiful for all of us.
Absolutely, because then you could be at your hotel room, you could be at home, you could be running to your next gig, and you would have always access because you're using the regular cellular infrastructure that's been deployed by T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon, whoever it may be.
You're not worried about signals anymore, because a place like this, I'm sure there's signal saturation all day long.
That's right.
But you've already found that solution.
That's right. Exactly. And what we do for our customers that are doing big events, like for example, if they're doing the U.S. Open or the PGA Championships, in that case, the big carriers will also offer you priority SIMs on their cellular network.
Right.
So it does come a little bit pricier, but for people that are doing a very important production that is live, then you spend that additional dollars for those priority SIMs, and then at that point, you're sure you'll always have a connectivity.
You have a solid connectivity.
Exactly.
Hey, it's been a pleasure to talk to you, sir.
Very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for passing by.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Have a good day.
I'm so excited to be out here at InfoComm again in Las Vegas, Nevada. We just talked to Clear-Com. Hershi, you don't need that. That's too expensive for you. I don't care. It's useful for me because I love to see the devices in person. The Clear-Com device that I just got to see, I don't recall the name, but watch the video. It's a wireless package or a wireless type of package where my camera operator and I could now have a communication device amongst my handler and everybody else if we ever get one. Hey editor, I need one. No, I'm kidding. But Clear-Com, go check them out, clearcom.com. And amazing just to be out here to feel the devices. This is what they use at NBC. They might have like 20 of those at NBC, but they do need to communicate with all their staff and people. You might see it in Broadway. You might see it in other locations as such. So know that Hershi brought you a company that is probably bringing that same communication device, and that's how they do it, is Clear-Com.